I'm going to try and set a personal best for the fastest fish I've ever caught, like the fastest time. And I'm going to start when it hits the water. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Look at that, 7 seconds and we're in. Alright, so today the target species is black bream, or brim as they call it around here. Apparently there's lots of little ones around this sort of river inlet to the big estuary that you can catch around here. I think the legal keeping size is like 20 something centimeters, I'm not sure. So we'll see what we can get. I'm going to be using prawn and calamari as bait. See how it goes. Come around here. I think there's a little jetty right here. Yep. I just saw some fish jumping around here, so I'm gonna try and get close. Alright, let's try here. Hooked up. Got a little bream. I think I got a little bream. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that guy. Alright. Got a little bream. That right there, guys, is a juvenile black bream. Beautiful fish. Alright, so had another person come and tell me that the bridge is a good spot, they can see some, so I'm here now. Oh yeah, loads of them right there. Okay, let's drop and see what we can get. Bait it up. Gonna drop right down here where I see them. Oh yeah, whole bunch of them. Watch how fast I catch a fish here, guys. Yep. There we go. First time. Alright. Another little undersized one. Alright. Another one, slightly better sized one. Alright, another one, number 4. Oh, it's a little black bream. That's a better size one. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 10.